So here's an example of a chimney that's kind of had a bad repointing job on it. And it's deteriorated a little bit on the top here. There's a couple of loose bricks here, but they're on the very top. The rest is all very sound. And we can easily get rid of that mortar that has been smeared in it and repoint it and relay those top few bricks and then fix up this crown with sheet metal flashing of some sort that we usually use, and put the two caps on it, and we'll be away to the races. The flues in this one look fine. The flue system looks to be in decent shape. I could have a little bit of patching in the top one here maybe, but the rest of it seems to be good. And in the furnace chimney it also looks to be fine. So in my mind that doesn't have to be rebuilt. Could be easily repointed and repaired, so it's would serve us another 20 years at least.